My name is Margaret,
Hi, and I'm Naomi.
coming to you from our Harlingen Public Library. Today we're going to be doing our Valentine's strawberry, banana, and apple. So we're going to be using these chocolate bar. This one is chocolate, this one is white chocolate. What you do is just get the barks, you melt them for a minute and a half or a minute. Don't try to let it burn, and this is the way it's going to come out. Silky smooth. On this one, I put food coloring.
How much do you put for food coloring?
1 dot.
Oh, okay.
1 dot on the white. So that way it'll come out like pink looking.
Oh.
If you want it a little bit darker, red, try to put 2. And this is what you get. This is my covered chocolate strawberry heart shape. The brown, white with pink.
Oh, that's so cute.
So I'll show you how to do that one. Clean all your strawberries, wash them, clean them, tap dry. Don't let any water on them because the chocolate won't stick to it. So when you are starting your heart shape, you take off the greenery on top with your finger.
Like that?
Okay. So I'm going to show you 2 ways to do it. This one is a whole strawberry, so you're just going to do a V shape.
Okay.
See how it comes out? There you go. So if your kids are doing it, moms or dads, please help them out.
That looks really nice.
So I have these little sticks, they're the pop cake sticks, and I just cut them in half. And all you do is just put them in here.
In the bottom?
Yeah, that's it. And then you just dunk them into your
Oh.
white or dark chocolate. Just drizzle it. Try to get all that excess chocolate out. And this is what you get. So because they're cold, they're gonna dry pretty fast. Just lay them down. I use a foil paper or wax paper to lay my fruit, vegetables, whatever you're gonna dunk in there. Okay,
Oh.
pretty good. So now lay it
First
down.
one, okay.
So on this one, same way, you just take off the greenery. But on this one, we're gonna cut it in half. Well, first do the V cut for your heart. You're gonna cut it in half. There you go. So we got our half shape. Here's one for you. We'll share.
And do they sell them just like this?
They sell them this big.
Oh, okay.
And
you
then I just cut them in half for the
Okay.
little ones.
Oh, that's awesome.
So if you don't have any, you can't find any, sometimes they're hard to get. You can get coffee stirrers, toothpicks, whatever you have, or even the popsicle sticks if you want. So here's my,
Oh, that is so pretty.
so this one you just also dunk it. Let's do the white. It's already starting to get hard. So here's the white one. Half strawberry. It's cute. All right? So this is the way they come out, the half. It's okay if you don't have any in the back. They're going to be eaten right away.
This is a really cute gift.
It
for somebody,
is,
especially
it
for
is.
Valentine's.
Yep. See how pretty it comes out if you lay it down and just sprinkle out the
On top,
chocolate?
yeah.
It'll come out much, much better.
And then you just lay it down
Yes, yes. And let's move on. These are my apples that we're gonna be doing also.
Bananas?
Yep, let's do a banana.
Okay.
They're nice and cold, so they're gonna dry really, really fast.
Oh yeah, they are. So the colder the better in a
Yes,
sense. Okay.
yes. And they're not wet, so it's better. And we're gonna cut them in half. So I'm gonna put them on this side. Just like that, and then drizzle it too. So if you wanna do this one
Yes, I'll do this.
in the white. So because they are top heavy, they're gonna either fall off. So either you can grab them by your hands and just drizzle. See, the chocolate's already starting to form. So I already have one. This is the chocolate. And I already have the white one. I just did them and they're already they're perfect.
They're ready.
Yes. So I have pecans. They're the cookie pieces, so they're really, really fine. So I like to drizzle on those. Or you can put the red sprinkles if you want. It's already wet. This is the time that you put your sprinkles, your pecan, anything that you want to put on top of it.
I like to sprinkle.
Yeah, so what I do, I put it in my hands.
Okay.
And then just do this. There you go.
Oh, that looks so pretty.
Yeah. So if you want to put some on
sprinkling things make me happy.
who doesn't? The tuxedo strawberry. It's for the guy that you love.
That is super cute.
So just lift up the little greenery. This is gonna go first on the white. It's just gonna be
One side.
one side, that's it. This is her shirt. So let it dry, and we'll come back to that. Then lay it down. Take out all that little excess there. There you go. We're gonna do our apple. And, okay, this one, we're just gonna stick it on the bottom.
On the bottom, okay.
So this is a little bit hard to put in if you can't do it. Kids, get mom to put them in. So you're gonna do the white and I'll do the brown.
Okay, and then
This one, you're gonna dip it in and just sprinkle it with a spoon.
it smells so good, this chocolate.
The chocolate bark, you can get them at your favorite grocery store.
How long do you put them in the chocolate bark in the
The,
microwave for?
the dark chocolate, I put it for 1 minute and 40 seconds. The white, it tends to burn if you leave it on like for 2 minutes. So
Oh,
try to
okay.
do it like 1.5 minutes. And then check it. Okay, so we're gonna take a little break, warm up the chocolate, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back from warming up our chocolate. So now we're ready to start either decorating. So I'm gonna show you how to do just to do like decorations like this. Quick and simple. If you have a Ziploc bag, a small one.
Okay,
So we'll do a white one.
and then I
Okay.
put it in there?
Yeah, but we're gonna put it right in the corner.
Oh, okay.
Maybe like, do 3 spoons.
So,
Yeah, just like that. I did my pink.
and it's not that hot, it's actually just warm.
Yeah.
She did 3.
Okay, here's your scissors. You don't have to zip it or anything, because we want air to go in there. So at the very corner, you're gonna snip it really, really tiny. If you wanna see how it looks,
Mhm.
just drizzle it on your foil. The way I do it, I pinch it just to take out the chocolate, and then from there I can see where it's like that. So from there, we're just gonna drizzle whatever you wanna decorate. Either you can hold it up or leave it down.
Oh my goodness, look how pretty
Yeah.
that's coming out.
Yeah. And just do little zigzags, as much as you want. So,
I want one
there you
more.
go.
That looks amazing, I love it.
So-
Can I do some on ones that already have sprinkles on
Yes,
it?
oh yes, do it. There's a banana with white chocolate with pink. So now I'm gonna
Oh,
do,
awesome, I love it, look.
yeah, you can put your initials if you want, whatever you want, you can do that. It's your apple, create it. You can go all the way around. Just turn it. And do a little ziggy there.
Oh, I'm getting very creative
There
here.
you go.
I
That's
wanna
what we
add-
want. So we're almost done. We're gonna get our tuxedo guy.
Oh, yes.
So here comes the brown part. So here we're gonna just do a dip, like a V. That's one shape,
Oh, that looks cute.
and then the other side. Oop, can't see. There you go.
Okay, I don't know if mine's gonna come out as nice
It
as yours, but I'm
will.
gonna try.
There's that.
Okay, and then I did the other side.
There
Oh,
you
that
go.
came out
The
amazing.
buttons and a tie. Here's your, and you can lay it down so you can see.
Okay.
So to get this guy closer, you're gonna dip your toothpick, not that much. I usually just put 2 little buttons And then I'm gonna do my tie, or bow tie really. So it's like a triangle sideways for your bow tie. And here's my little guy. Trust me, they taste wonderful. Oh, that's perfect. Your first guy.
My first guy. My little tuxedo guy. Oh, look at that.
Perfect.
And that's because I'm not a drawer.
So if you do want to give these out to anybody, you know, teachers, friend, like I said, your close friend at work, I like to either decorate it, put some little.
So you're giving me this after our.
Yes.
Awesome.
For being such a good person here. And then just flip it, put some red bow around it.
Such a good idea.
Yes, and it's, I mean, it didn't cost you that much. It's okay, so then we're gonna, I like to give in a real pretty plate. You can buy these at a craft store. Dip your marshmallows, pretzels, because you wanna put other stuff other than just your fruit to make it bigger, the plate.
Okay.
So we're just gonna dunk in our pretzels halfway. Lay them down. I also got marshmallows. You can do your marshmallows too, in white or brown, whatever you want. Also halfway. So then from there, we'll start putting all our little goodies in here. If you want to just put them all in here just by themselves, or like I said, with your pretzels.
You know what? Once this side dries, could I grab it and then do a chocolate
Yes.
side on the
Yes,
other
you
side?
can.
Oh, that would be really cute.
Very, very, very clever. Oh, my banana fell.
I guess the more chocolate I put in it, the better.
Yes. Uh-huh. So I have this one that didn't really come out because it was still wet, if you can see it. I'll just either drizzle it with pink or
You
with
want
this.
you want some white? Oh.
With this. You can just do little stripes covering it up. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's gonna be eaten.
These go really quick, so you can just add it in there
Yeah,
afterwards.
yeah. Oops. So
I
there
thought
you
it
go.
would be. I thought it
covered
was going
up.
to be really time consuming. It's
No,
not that
it
bad.
isn't. It isn't. Not at all. So once everything's dry, of course, let's lay all your strawberries all around it and have a feast. So like I said, if y'all like this, give us a thumbs up, give us comments, share, whatever y'all want. If y'all want to know what was the bark name or what, give us a call at the reference department here at Harlingen Public Library.
It would be nice to see if you guys did this at home, if you guys take some pictures and
Yes.
send them to us, and we
Yeah.
can post them online, or we can at least see that you guys are doing something with what we're teaching you guys. This was so much fun being with you guys today.
Yes. So thank you again. We'll be back.
Bye!
Bye-bye.